Hello everyone, hope all are good. Welcome back to the educational channel. Dear students, we have been discussing our fourth lesson that is called How James Begotten Became Little John. So in this video, we will conclude this lesson. We will complete this lesson. Today we are going to study reading last 7 paragraphs, new words and explanation. So this is the third part of the lesson. So here you can see the list of meaning of new words. Take the screenshot and write it down in your English notebook. So before going to start today's paragraphs, I would like to ask you a few questions which are related to the previous paragraphs. Are you ready, students? Okay, here look at here. First question. What did Robin Hood see on the other side of the bridge when he looked up? Your answer? Yes. Answer is a tall, wide-shouldered stranger man. Robin Hood saw a tall, wide-shouldered stranger man on the other side of the bridge when he looked up. So next one question. Which weapon did the stranger man have to fight with Robin Hood? Which that weapon? Yes, that is quarterstaff. Quarterstaff. It means a wooden stick. Next question. Between whom did the battle begin? Between whom did the battle begin? Yes, the battle began between the stranger man and Robin Hood. Is it? Of course. Next question. Who succeeded the battle? Who succeeded the battle? Of course, who? The stranger man, who was 7 feet height, very strong, tall, wide-shouldered stranger man succeeded the battle. Is it? With this, let us begin our today's paragraphs. Here, look at here. Put your finger and listen carefully. We will see how much he enjoys being thumped and bumped and ducked, won't we, boys? Said Phil Scarlet. When the gang of merry men appeared in front of Robin Hood, Will Scarlet turned his face to the stranger. Look at here. Will Scarlet turned his face the stranger and threatened to fight him. Means he expressed to injure him, and he said that how much you enjoyed. He means the strange person enjoyed to injure our Robin Hood. Thumped means to hit. Here bumped means to push, and ducked means to go under the water. The stranger how much enjoyed to injure our leader. Let us see. We will also ready to fight with you. How much you want to enjoy. It means they were become very angry because his leader injured and also bleeding. So they get ready to fight with that strange person. Next. But Robin stopped them. None of you must hurt him. He is a true man. Then he asked the stranger if he he would like to join his gang of merrymen and live with them in Sherwood Forest. Look at here. Robin Hood stopped them. Here you can see the Robin Hood when they get ready to fight with that strange person. Here you can see Will Scarlet and his gang boys, and here the strange person, stranger man. Robin Hood stood and said that he stopped them to move forward. He said that nobody can hurt him. Nobody should hurt him. He is a true man. He is true man. He said that he was very true man. And then Robin Hood asked to the strange person, if you would like to join our gang of merrymen. You would like to join our gang. Gang name what? Merrymen. And live with us in Sherwood. If you agree to live with us. Next paragraph. You will wear the Lincoln green suit of the outlaw band and share with us whatever we find or take. You shall be my right hand man, for I never saw a better man with a staff in all my life. Come on, be a part of us, won't you? So Robin Hood, look at here, Robin Hood asked the stranger. He asked the stranger, if you like to join our gang, you will wear the Lincoln green suit. So here Lincoln green suit, it means a very bright green color suit. See look at here, the worn and outlaw band, here belt. Here in the middle of there is there a belt. You will wear the band and share with us whatever we find or take. So he said the rules. If you like to join our gang of merrymen, you will wear the Lincoln green suit and outlaw band, and also you must share with us whatever you will find or take. You must be my right hand man. Because why he must be right hand man? Because he never saw Robin Hood didn't see better man like stranger who fight with him, only a staff with a staff in his life, so that he will be most right hand of the Robin Hood. So come on, be a part of our gang, won't you? Means, will you? He asked Robin Hood. Next, the stranger accepted. You fought a brave fight. I must admit, I will join your good company. So when Robin Hood asked to join that gang, his gang, he accepted. The stranger accepted, and he said that, yes, I will join your good company, because you had fought with me a very brave fight. I must admit, I must appreciate that fight. So I will join your good company. Next, Look at here. Everybody cheered as he was baptized into the band of merry men by Will Scarlet. So here baptize means to christen someone with a sprinkling of holy water. So everybody means here the boys of gang merrymen. The boys of gang merrymen cheered. They cheered to that strange person by sprinkling a holy water. Means they are congratulated him. And into the band too, over the band. Here look at the belt. Who? Will Scarlet. Will Scarlet welcomed and given the band, and everybody cheered to that stranger. Next, what is your name, big man? Will enquired. Next, what happened? When Will Scarlet wooed and welcomed him in his merryman gang, then he asked his name. Will Scarlet asked the stranger name. Then, I am called James Bigotten, he replied. The stranger man replied to Will Scarlet, I am James Bigotten. My name is James Bigotten. So now we get to know that the stranger man name is James Bigotten. Okay, children. So next, that's not good enough. We will give you a forest name since you are such a teeny mid of a fellow. What say? Little John would suit you. Then Will Scarlet said that, oh, then your name James Bigotten. But that's not good enough. That's not suit for you. So we will give you forest name. We will give a forest name. Since you are such a teeny midge of a fellow. Now you are a teeny means here very small, midge means family. You are now joined our teeny fellows family. One of the member of teeny midge of fellows. What you say? We will give the name is Little John. So Little John would suit you. What do you say? He asked. Okay. So now you got to know that. Did you get that? The stranger name is earlier was James Bigotten. When he joined the gang of merrymen, he became Little John. Is it clear? So that's why title has given how James Bigotten became Little John. How did he become? The stranger name is earlier was James Bigotten, but when he joined the gang of merrymen, he became Little John. Is it clear? So look at here. He is a Robin Hood and he is James Bigotten became Little John. But he is not a little, but they have given the name Little John. But he is 7 feet height. Those height, he is more than those height he was. Who? James Bigotten. So they have given the name Little John. So next, everybody laughed as James got angry, but Robin calmed him down, and Little John was dressed in green as he took his place in the band. So when they named to that strange person Little John, then everybody of the gang laughed at him because he was 7 feet height, but his name has given Little John. So everybody laughed at him. Then he became angry, but Robin Hood calmed him, relaxed him, and then Little John was dressed in green color suit and also taken a band. Here, look at here. He dressed means he wore the green color suit and band in the middle of here. Look at here, black color band. He took that band. Next, by the time night had set in and the feast was over, they had all become best of friends. And then the new entrant was happy with his forest name Little John. So here, feast means a very large meal. When he wore the green color suit and band means belt, that night they set a dinner, delicious, very large meal set, and that feast party over, they had all became best friends. All he mingled with that group. He became very close to the Robin. And the new entrant, here entrant means newcomer. Who is the newcomer? James Bigotton. James Bigotton mingled with that gang. He too was happy with that gang boys in the forest. So this is the complete story. So here how the James Bigotton became Little John. Is it clear? So here another note is there. Look at here. Footnote. Do you know, children, footnote means? Footnote, it means a short piece of text. Footnote means what? A short piece of text. It means it is a kind of small piece of writing additional to the main piece of writing. So the story was completed in that paragraph, isn't it? Here up to here it has completed. Here footnote means it is the little short piece of writing additionally as given. After what happened when he joined and when he became Little John, after what happened? So shortly they have mentioned here. So we will start. Put your finger. Little John remained Robin Hood's most trusted lieutenant. He is second in command. He was an excellent swordsman and archer, but his best weapon was the quarterstaff. It is said that once Robin lost to him in a playful archery contest, but he refused to pay the penalty. Little John sulked and quit his service. A few days later, Robin was captured by a treacherous monk. Little John organized the merrymen and rescued him. Robin apologized and offered to make John the leader of the band. John refused. For him, Robin was always the master. He might grumble or argue, but he was always there for Robin Hood. Robin couldn't have asked for a more loyal friend. So when little John joined with the gang of merrymen, after what happened, they were become happy. Okay, next few days after what happened, little John remained Robin Hood's most trusted lieutenant. So after few days he became very trusted, very honest, very liable member of that gang. Who? Little John. Lieutenant means here junior. He became junior leader of that gang, and also he became second in command. Who? Little John became Robin Hood's second in command. Before who is there? Will Scarlet. After he became second in command, and also he was an excellent swordsman and archer. So he learned swords and archer. He become improved. He improved and he become excellent performance in our swordsman and archer. But his best weapon was the quarterstaff. He too learned and he too became swordsman and archer. Who? Little John. But his best weapon was the quarterstaff, that wooden stick. He performing best in that weapon. Who? Little John. So it is said that what happened one day, what happened? Robin lost him. Once Robin lost him means he removed him. Why? In a playful archery contest. Once he lost to the Little John in a playful archery contest. Why? Because Little John rejected to pay the penalty. Once what happened? In their between something happened in the contest, archery contest. Something happened, he lost. Who? Robin Hood lost to the Little John because he refused. Who? Little John refused to pay the penalty, and Little John sucked. Sucked means become upset. When Little John refused to pay the penalty, Robin Hood removed him in his gang. So the Little John become upset and quit his service. So he quit means he left. He leave that gang. Who? Little John. Then after a few days later, what happened? Robin was captured by an treacherous monk. Few days later, Robin Hood was captured by dangerous. Here treacherous means dangerous monk. Monk means sannyasi. He was caught. Robin Hood caught by a dangerous monk. He is in trouble. Who? Robin Hood. He is in trouble in a treacherous monk. Then Little John organized means gathered the merryman gang and rescued him. When he was in trouble, Robin Hood, when he was in trouble, Little John organized the merryman and rescued the Robin Hood. Rescued means to save from danger. Little John saved from the danger to Robin. Then Robin apologized and offered to make John the leader of the band. So when Little John saved Robin Hood's life, he Robin Hood apologized, means he said sorry, and also he offered him again should join and become leader of that gang. But Little John refused because for Little John, Robin Hood always the master. He was always the master. He was not level of that Robin Hood. Robin Hood was very great person for him. He might grumble and argue, but he was always there of Robin Hood. Robin Hood might grumble and argue given the punishment, whatever he has done to Little John, but Robin Hood always his master, Little John's master, so he refused to become leader of that gang. Then Robin couldn't have asked for a more loyal friend. So he could not have asked for a loyal friend like that. So this is the complete story of this lesson, how James Begotten became Little John. So this is very nice story. Now I am going to explain briefly today's paragraphs by showing the pictures. Look at here. When Will Scarlet saw his leader was injured, then he get ready to fight with the strange man, and then Robin Hood stopped them. Then Robin Hood said that nobody should hurt him. He is a true man. Then he asked the stranger to join his gang of merrymen and live with them in Sherwood Forest. So he asked, you will wear Lincoln Green Outlaw Band if you agree to join our gang, because you shall be my right hand man, because I never seen you like a brave person, so you be part of us. Then a strange man accepted to join his company, his gang. Then everybody cheered him and has given the band of merrymen. And Will Scarlet asked him his name. Then he said that his name was James Begotten. Then Will Scarlet said that it is not suit for you. We will give you a forest name, because you are such a tiny family, one of the member of tiny family. We are all tiny, they are all small, so that he has given Little John. Then he became angry. Then Robin Hood calmed him. Then he wore that green suit, and that night they made a feast, have delicious food and made party, and they both become best friend with newcomer. So here the Little John, he became Little John, who was a very tall and wide-shouldered man, 7 feet height man. James Begotten became Little John. How he became Little John? When he joined the gang of merry men, he became Little John. So this is the complete explanation about this lesson. I hope you understood. Now tell me what we learned from this lesson. Do you know, children? From this lesson, we learned about humanity, about loyalty and bravery. is it? And friendship. I hope you understood. Now take down the homework. Write the meaning of new words and the given question answer in your English notebook. Write down in your English notebook. So here question answer which are given in this video, those. Write in English notebook one time. Next, read the whole lesson and meaning of new words 2 times. Is it clear? Okay. So we will meet in the next video with a new lesson. Till then, goodbye. See you again. Thank you, my dear students.